Hey, what's up? How's it going, everyone? So recently I bought some foam online and it looks like this when you get in the mail because it's all vacuum sealed. But if you want it to look like this, all you have to do is just take one of these and you put it in the bathtub with like hot to warm water and you just let it sit in there. Hold up, I'm gonna add more water. I really don't know the science behind it, but once like it gets heated with the water, it expands. I don't know, I think it's just kind of like a sponge, in my opinion. Alright, so after you let it sit in the water, it'll look like this. You noted it was a lot of water. But yeah, so this is like 3 of them, and then this is also like, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I just want to show like how to make it go from this to this just with like water. Alright, so I'll see you guys next time, and peace out.